Hi, it's Stephen here for the Idiot Quilter. Let me get in shot. And I just got a package from Spoonflower this afternoon. So I'm in my sewing room and I thought I would show you the fabrics that I have designed and had printed by Spoonflower. Now these are designs that I'm hoping that I'm going to get a commercial company interested in manufacturing and putting out for sale for other people. But for now, these are sort of samples. Now, these aren't everything that I have submitted to Northcott, which I mentioned today in my vlog. But these are some that some have been submitted to them, and other ones were ones that I've been waiting a couple of weeks to receive. Now, the first one, you have seen this one before, and this is only about a half of a meter left, because I've used this one to make a bag, which I have shown you, and I'm also using some of this one right now for a new quilt that I'm designing. This is really the one that got me going on all of this. So that's that one. I'll just put it over here to the side. And here's my next one. Now remember, this is my first effort at designing fabric. And there are other things that I can do with these and other ways that I can manipulate them through my graphic software. But I'm really pleased with how they're turning out. And remember, these are all based upon my designs from my art journal. So they are my original artwork. So yes, they do have a bit of a kaleidoscope kind of effect to them. However, if I get accepted or into a market for these, or if I happen to, I want to play around a little bit more with design, there are other things I can do that will change their look completely. This one I really love how it turned out. I love the colors in it. It looks almost like a batik in a sense. And this one also, they all come from my art journals. Some are just backgrounds, others had a few more layers of embellishment put on them. This one I think turned out really great. I shrunk the pattern down on the Spoonflower website. They have an editing program, and did a repeat pattern, and this one came out like this, and I think it's really quite dramatic. I really love this one. And similarly, I did a similar thing with these next few I'm going to show you. So you see I shrunk the patterns down and put them into a repeat design, where some of those earlier ones you saw are less repeat, more kaleidoscope-like. And I thought I'd try one in black and white just to see how that would turn out. And I think it turned out pretty good too. This one is a little different in its color combination, but it's a repeat pattern done kaleidoscopic, if that's a word. So I guess you can sort of get a feel for my style, although my style is not written in stone yet. This one almost has sort of a Middle Eastern kind of vibe to it, I think. Now, of course, as quilters, we would not probably make an entire quilt just using one of these patterns. We would probably, because the patterns are fairly busy, I think if I was doing a quilt with these, I would work these with some solid colors as well to give some variety. Otherwise, I think you'd have a quilt that would just boggle your mind, be like an optical illusion. So anyways, those are the ones I have right now, and I thought I'd share them with you. They're just hot off the press, just got them today. I'm really pleased with the way they've turned out, and yeah, almost too nice to cut up and use, but that's why I'm designing them, so they can be used. and I'm sure down the road I'll find something really interesting to do with them. So thanks for watching, and I'll let you know if I ever get a chance to sell these publicly or not. I have my doubts, but you know, nothing ventured, nothing gained. So it's Stephen here for the Idiot Quilter. See you next time. Bye bye for now.